Well, I just got off work today. I've been so busy with work I haven't been able to get some videos out, so I'm really behind schedule. But what is that? Oh my gosh. That's my 100 subscriber play button. I guess I got a play button for 100 subscribers from YouTube. Oh wait, no, that's just something I made yesterday. So we got a 3D printer and we've been 3D printing a lot of stuff, like this little tiny play button. And I gotta say, 3D printing is pretty awesome. Cutaway to I didn't have a cup holder in my 4Runner, so I 3D printed a replacement. I'll have some cool projects coming up on that 3D printer. Can't wait to make a couple videos about it. Well, I was so excited the Karma came out yesterday. I went and bought it. Here's what happened. I've been waiting for this to come out for a long time now. So let's go get a new drone. Hey, guess what, man?
Oh, it's there.
Look at that.
Oh, is it there? Can you buy it?
I don't know yet, but it's really huge.
Yeah, I know.
Like, look at it compared to the camera. So they don't have any in stock, and I'm going to order it. I feel like GoPro kind of messed this one up because it was released today. And I had to pre-order it, kinda. And now on Tuesday, they'll tell me when they're gonna ship it to me.
I can't copy and paste. This is driving me up a wall. Why can't I copy and paste in Fusion 360?
Oh, you can't copy and paste. I don't have a drone I paid $1,200 for. Thanks, GoPro. So they really had no idea what was going on, but I was told that the district manager had special ordered it for me, and I would find out on Tuesday, tomorrow, when it's going to ship. But now that I'm looking online, it looks like it's actually going to be delayed until November. And if that's the case, I'm actually going to be pretty disappointed. Hopefully it will come a little sooner, because I can't wait to make a review video for everyone and fly it myself, because it looks like a lot of fun. But I gotta say, I'm actually also looking forward to the Mavic release. Hopefully that Karma will come out soon. I hope that title wasn't too clickbaity for you. But I do hope to have a couple reviews of the Karma whenever I can get my hands on it. And I think we're also going to strap some fireworks to it and maybe have a head-on battle with the Phantom 4. So thanks for watching. Definitely comment, subscribe, like, dislike if it was too clickbaity. See you next time.